Alyssa requested 3 things from Smith's. What were they?
His hot dogs, a dessert.
Hot dogs.
We have buns.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Okay.
A dessert.
A dessert.
Ooh. And a present.
Dessert.
Oh!
And a present.
And a present.
What do you think I could have got you?
Another dessert.
What is it? Hurry!
A fidget. All the hype is about.
Daddy's fidget spinning for the first time.
Holy shit balls.
Why do you like that so much? Daddy just fell in love. She's literally about to cry because it's so cool.
There's so much power.
Why do you like